Hey, Monday morning, December 2nd, looking at the Astro Excel chart for the month ahead here. We start up high and we start pushing down all the way until the 4th, bottoming out on the 4th at 8 a.m., pushing back up to the 5th at the end of the day session to close. And then we've got a push down with a little bit of a rebound and then all the way down into the 8th just after midnight. Do a little double bottom to the middle of the day on the 8th, and then we push back up to the 9th at 1900. Then we get a little push down back up to a double top on the 10th at 2000, and then all the way down to the 12th at 6 a.m. Then we have a strong push up to the 13th. That energy peaks at noon, and then we've got a multi-day push to the downside that bottoms out right here at 3 a.m. on the 17th. Then we're bouncing around that minus 10 line into the 18th at the end of the session, and then it pushes up and peaks out on the 20th at midnight. Then we've got downward pressure into the session close on the 22nd. Then we've got a sideways drift along the minus 10 line till we push back up till the 26th at 2 a.m., pushing back down to the 27th, and then we're basically bouncing the 0 minus 10 line until just after midnight on the 30th, where we push up, and then we've got upward pressure the rest of the day on the 30th and through the 31st until 1500, where that peaks out and starts to turn back down. Some significant blue line spikes this month where we're getting to the 20 line and well above the 10 line. These were mentioned yesterday in the video for the week. The bigger spikes later in the month. We've got this one here at 12:11 at midnight, 12:11 at 2000. It's a good spike here on the 13th at 3 a.m. These ones around the 10 line I'll cover on the weekly videos. This next really big one is on the 18th at 2000. And then this 12:21, 2 a.m., that big spike up above the plus 20 line. And then one more of significance on the 30th at 1800. The rest will be covered on the weekly videos, but that's a look at the energy for the month ahead.